Wow, have you guys seen the sheer volume of AI stuff SAP is pushing out these days? I mean, it's everywhere.
Yeah, no kidding.
Like this internal presentation we're diving into today. It's for partners, by the way, but it's basically a fire hose of new AI features.
It's really
It's
interesting.
clear this is more than just talk. This is SAP betting big on AI, like right now.
Absolutely, you're right. This document really drives home that this is a strategic shift for SAP. They're baking AI into every corner of their product suite.
It's like they're aiming for a future where AI isn't an extra. It's just how things work.
Exactly.
And get this, they're already rolling it out.
Oh, yeah.
This recent release highlights section, it's like they peeked into our wish lists for how to make those annoying, tedious tasks disappear.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay, so think about this. You get back from a business trip, and instead of hunting for all those crumpled up receipts, Concur automatically itemizes everything for your expense report.
Oh, wow, that's really smart.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
I know, right?
SAP is focusing on solving those everyday pain points first, the kind of stuff that every user can relate to. It's about showing the value of AI in a way that's instantly gratifying and building trust, paving the way for tackling those bigger, more complex challenges down the line.
Exactly. It's like, hey, look how much easier we can make your workday with AI, and suddenly you're ready for more. Speaking of making work easier, get this. Imagine S4HANA suggesting the perfect person for a project.
No way.
It takes into account their skills, availability, everything. Talk about a time saver for managers. And for those in sales, imagine AI generating compelling product descriptions for all your marketing materials. No more staring at a blank page, trying to find the right words.
It's wild. This brings up a really interesting point, though. SAP is clearly pushing for a future where interacting with its systems feels more natural and intuitive. This leads us to something the document talks a lot about, Joule.
Joule. It's like SAP's answer to Siri or Alexa, but specifically designed for the business world. It wants to be that friendly voice that helps you navigate the complexities of the SAP ecosystem.
It's much more than a friendly interface, though. This document really positions Joule as the central nervous system, the unifier that brings together all these different AI features across the entire SAP landscape. It's really ambitious.
And get this, it's not just some abstract concept. The document is packed with specific examples of what Joule can actually do. For someone like a BTP admin, you know someone who manages the Business Technology Platform.
Right.
Joule promises to make navigating that system a whopping 90% faster.
Get out.
And developers out there, listen up. Joule could potentially boost your coding speed by 30%.
Wow.
Think about how many more projects you could tackle.
That emphasis on speed and efficiency is no accident. SAP recognizes that for AI to truly take hold, it has to make our work lives easier, not more complicated.
Exactly. No one wants to add more complexity to their day. And for the data analysts out there, imagine getting the information you need from those dense dashboards 25% faster. No more endless clicking and scrolling. Joule will pull it all together in a snap.
Yeah, it's like having a super efficient assistant who can anticipate your needs and handle those tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on the bigger picture.
It almost sounds too good to be true.
Yeah.
But then the document dives into the tech behind all this, and it's clear SAP isn't messing around. They have a whole section on something called foundation models, and these are the big leagues. Microsoft, Azure, OpenAI, Falcon, even Google Gemini gets a mention.
Oh, wow.
We're talking serious AI firepower.
Yeah, what's important for you to understand here is that SAP isn't building all of this from the ground up. They're leveraging the expertise of these AI powerhouses, which means you're getting access to the most cutting-edge AI technology available. It's a smart move because it allows SAP to focus on tailoring those technologies to the specific needs of SAP users like yourself.
Totally. It's like they're saying, we're not just dipping our toes in the AI pool here. We're diving in headfirst with the best in the business.
Yeah.
But of course, this kind of AI power comes with a cost, right? The document talks about SAP's pricing strategy.
Right.
And it seems like they're taking a two-pronged approach. Some AI features will be bundled into existing products, while others will require an additional investment.
That makes sense. Developing and implementing these AI capabilities requires massive resources, from the computing power needed to the teams of data scientists behind it all.
For sure.
The good news is that SAP is providing options, giving you the flexibility to choose the level of AI integration that aligns with your company's budget and specific needs.
So it's like a buffet of AI options.
Yeah.
You can pick and choose what works best for you. But for those businesses that really commit and go all in on AI, the possibilities seem almost limitless. This document is really like a sneak peek into the future of SAP, and it's a future where AI is everywhere.
Yeah.
Like it's making everything smoother and more efficient.
Totally.
But, we've talked a lot about SAP's grand vision for AI.
Right.
What I'm really curious about is what it means for the person on the ground,
Yeah.
the one actually using these tools day in and day out. What does this mean for you?
That's the million-dollar question, right? This document highlights the incredible potential of AI to transform how we work with SAP systems. But the real impact will depend on how these tools are adopted and integrated into specific business processes.
So it's not just a matter of flipping a switch and suddenly everything is AI-powered.
Yep. Exactly. It's about identifying the areas where AI can make the biggest difference.
Okay.
Whether it's automating those tedious, repetitive tasks,
Right.
or uncovering hidden insights in your data, and then figuring out the best way to implement these new tools in a way that makes sense for your specific needs.
So it's a journey, not a destination.
Yep.
This document is just the first step.
Precisely. And it's an exciting journey. Think about it. What if you could hand off those mind-numbing tasks to Joule,
Oh, yeah.
freeing up your time and energy to focus on more strategic, creative work?
Right.
That's the promise of this AI-powered future.
It's like having a whole team of AI assistants working alongside you, helping you achieve things you never thought possible.
And that's what I want you to take away from this deep dive. The future of working with SAP is one where AI is no longer some futuristic concept, but it's an integral part of your daily workflow.
Yeah.
It's a future where AI helps you work smarter, not harder,
Sure.
and unlocks a whole new level of productivity and efficiency.
So embrace the possibilities, explore these new AI tools, and who knows, you might just find yourself wondering how you ever managed without them. That wraps up our deep dive into SAP's bold AI strategy. It's a future full of potential, and we can't wait to see how it unfolds. Until next time.